I can't have 3 different cakes in the refrigerator. Bradley, this is the first layer being printed now. I do first layer at extremely low speed because it improves adhesion. In large parts you really need the adhesion, otherwise you get curl up and a few other problems. I am doing a 2-profile first layer of the part. This is a large, complex part. It takes quite a while. I'll be cutting this section out pretty soon and show you the later printing process where things are happening much faster. But you'll notice your print head is very consistent in laying down a nice, steady flow.